Hello, welcome back to Bell's Learning Corner. 我们现在来到了 Reading 小说的第一系列。那今天我们这一篇要说的是 What a Copycat。OK，Copycat 呢，大部分都会在说，人家说什么你就跟他说什么，人家做什么你就跟他做什么。这个是 Copycat。然后这边以两只猫来说，今天要学的是第三人称动词，记得要加 s。那另外有一句就是很常说 What a copycat 你怎么那么爱 copy 我这样子，所以呢What a copycat 就是形容一个人，然後一個狀態做一件事情。OK, so Max 在这里 Max is a cat, Jax is a copycat， 所以他喜欢 copy 人家。Max plays with a ball. Jax plays with a ball too. 所以他做什么他就做什么。What a copycat. Max climbs a tree. Ooh, Jax climbs a tree too. What a copycat. Max eats a lot of food. Jax eats a lot of food too. What a copycat. Max naps in a chair. Jack snaps in a chair too. What a copycat. Max gets mad. Stop being a copycat, he says to Jack. Jack says he is sorry. Max says he is sorry too. What a copycat. 所以两个就和好了 OK， 所以呢今天我们讲到 What a copycat， 然后你会觉得说从这边开始句子有点拉长了，所以呢我们就下次再来练习下一篇。 Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.